to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Guyanese cheese rolls. These cheese rolls are flaky, cheesy, they're absolutely delicate and slightly spicy. So with the dough now, guys, the flour you see me sifting here and the fat that I'm putting into here is from the previous clips where I made my cheesy mini meat pies. So once I put the fat into the flour, you want to use the fingertip method. You want to rub them up together until it resembles wet sand, something like this. Now I'm going to use some ice water to bind the mixture together. At this time, you don't want to knead it. You just want to squeeze them, fold them in, just squeeze them tight enough until you form a dough ball. Now let's make the filling for our cheese roll. I have some grated cheese and I'm going to add some butter along with some yellow mustard, and I'm adding some of my homemade pepper sauce. For me, cheese roll must be a little spicy, but if you don't like anything too spicy, then you can leave it out. You can also add some grated onion or some grated garlic if you choose to into your mixture. I'm not going to use that into mine. Some people just ask me if you can put that. I don't really know, but I think I saw people did that, and that's fine. You can choose to season your stuff just the way you want. So we're not gonna make a cheese spread with it. We just want to fold it in. It's okay if your cheese is a bit chunky. Now we're going to roll our dough out to about a little less than 1/4 of an inch thick. And guys, kindly check the description box below, okay? These cheese rolls are gonna be some scrumptious ones, guys. You just gotta take them down with a bottle of cream soda. It just brings back some memories, some childhood memories. All right, so once we're done, normally I cut mine into some circular disc, which is not easy, when wrapping it. But in this aspect, I'm going to show you how simple it is. Just cut them into oblong pieces so that you can get the direct, glimpse as to how to make this cheese roll. So here I roll them out, and you roll them according to the size of the cheese roll you want to make. And then just cut them into the desired pieces. So now I have some egg that I did beat up, guys, make an egg wash with it, and I'm going to baste the edges of my dough. You can also use ice cold water for basting. And then I'm going to use the cheese that I just mixed and put it not directly into the middle, but a little off of the middle, just so that I can fold the first part of the dough right over the cheese, just like this. Then roll it again, and then I'm going to roll it over to show you at this time how I tack them down. So I use a fork and just pinch the edges down like this. Turn them over again. And here we press the edges again. Just use a sharp tool and cut them so that they would look good. At this time, I'm done placing them into my baking pan. And this is the way that we normally mark them with a fork. Just put a few little holes in them. But these are my few little pastries that I make for over the weekend. So what I'm going to do is just put a lot of holes on them, and, don't have nothing much to do in the kitchen today. So I'm just doing my own thing. Once this is done, I'm going to take the egg wash and I'm going to baste the cheese rolls. Well, they're not fully cheese rolls as yet unless they're baked, right? At this time, I have my oven set to 350 degrees, and these do not take long to cook, guys. So once I'm done basting, I'm going to place them into the oven and let them bake for 12 to 15 minutes. It also depends on the temperature of your oven. Sometimes you bake them a little longer. So once I put them in there and they're finished baking, this is what they look like. As you can see, some cheese did seep out from the sides, and that's okay. These things happen sometimes. That doesn't mean that you doesn't have a perfect cheese roll. And once you shake the pans like this and they're sliding, guys, there's no help of taking them out. You know they're perfectly done. And look at how simple and nice these looks, because as you can see from where I took off the cheese that did seep through, there are no holes into my cheese rolls. It is cheesy and nice. Let me break it from the other side and show you what it looks like. All cheesy, spicy, flaky. It is delicate, guys. So enjoy these perfect snacks, guys, and don't you forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.